Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar again, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the trend is your friend, as always. This morning I was saying that the last structure is right here. Definitely no break of structure yet. Definitely still in a downtrend. The 78% Fibonacci from the daily is down here, so I think there's a good chance we should at least see a double bottom, maybe a little bit of a lower high compared to this lower low compared to this low over here. Now I do have my Fibonacci retracement here because if it does, double bottom break structure, then that's a different story. Maybe at that point it will go up and take out this high, like I was talking about this morning. But I would definitely have to see a double bottom break a structure. Otherwise, the trend is your friend, and more than likely, this daily time frame 78% will get hit before we get a significant move up. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.